What's up everybody? It's me, Caitlin, back again with another video. Before we get started today, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Like 22 subscribers, that's crazy, man. Like, I mean, I was gonna be like, hey, that's so cool, I got 20 subscribers. But then like 2 more people subscribed, so like thank you guys, thank you so much. Especially if you don't know me in real life. I mean, like, thanks if you know me in real life, like I appreciate your subs. But like if you don't know me in real life and you subscribe, like you get like a special like in my mind, you know what I mean? Like, thank you so much. I'm so thankful. So if you're watching this video, welcome back. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like, it makes me so happy every time somebody subscribes. So what we're gonna be doing today, you know, I go on the Instagram Explorer page a lot. I go on the Instagram Explorer page. I go on the Instagram Explore page a lot because I have nothing better to do with my life. I see these hacks a lot, you know, like life hacks, and you know, everybody's talking about Shroom Shroom or whatever, but I wanted to talk about these clothing hacks by Baby First DIY or like Blossom, because like you get one piece of clothing that's in perfectly good condition and then you just change it into another piece of clothes. I want to see how feasible that is, like see how doable it is. They look pretty easy. I have mediocre sewing skills. I bought some elastic. We're good to go. So if you want to see me destroy perfectly good pieces of clothing I own, stick around. Be sure to like and comment on this video if you like it or want to say something to me. Or if you want to make suggestions. I'm really open to suggestions. Please give me suggestions. I don't know what I'm gonna do next week. So without further ado or whatever, here's the video. Okay, I'm assuming that y'all can see me. If not, apologies. Or maybe this video won't go up. Here's the clothes. These are all the clothes I'm trying to cut up. This is a t-shirt I got for free. So I think we're gonna start with this. So this shirt we're gonna turn into an off-the-shoulder top, allegedly. So this is our first little sleeve. So we now have 2 sleeves that are of varying sizes. These are our sleeves, so we're gonna put these aside for now. So let's snip, 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 snip. The shirt is huge and I don't imagine that the shirt that I'm about to make is gonna fit, but you know, they don't really say like, hey, if you're gonna make this like hack or whatever, you should like make sure the shirt is this size and you should like measure yourself or whatever. It's just like, no, just get a shirt, you'll be fine. Okay. So now we have this really cute crop top. Could use this as like a bib, you know? Like this is a cute like bib life hack. Yeah, so the next step. At some point it stops recording, but basically now I'm feeding an elastic into the t-shirt. I found a safety pin, which hopefully helps. This one's like a little thick. I don't know if it's gonna like fit in there, but we're gonna make it work. So it's actually starting to like bunch, kind of like, it's kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, like the draping is starting to like, it's, I don't know if you can see, but like it's starting to do this, which is like really, actually really pretty. Now what we gotta do, I gotta take this off, is sew the 2 ends of the elastic together. So let me get this embroidery floss. that's my shirt. I don't know if it's gonna look cute. I might need to crop it a little bit, but we'll come to that later when the situation arises. All right. So I have to do the same thing for the sleeves. So I'm just gonna not film that, and I'll come back when I have to sew the whole thing together. So. I just have to do the other side now. Alright, so what are you doing? Okay. The shirt is now a shirt. I might need to crop it, but we'll see. It looks a little long in my opinion, but so now we've got these jeans. They're from H&M. They did me well, and basically the knees are ripped open too much for my taste, because it's a nice way to say it is I got too thick, but you know, I gained some weight and they didn't fit the way they used to. I've never turned jeans into shorts before. Let's get snipping. Cute. That looks horrible. Wow. Not a fan of that at all. Yeah, those look really even. Maybe they'll look good rolled up. So real quick, I have to film this part again, but yeah, I don't like this shirt. I had a strapless bra on before, but I don't feel like putting it back on. Like this, it's not cute at all, but if you kind of like bunch it like this, it's like actually like really cute. I know you can't see because like the bralette is a little distracting, but like this is like a look, you know what I mean? Oh, my whole back of it is out, but like this is cute, but this is like way too long. So maybe if I have time, I'll like go and like run an elastic around this way, and then I'll have a cute off the shoulder top, because it's actually like surprisingly comfortable. And like for me, I don't like do well with off the shoulder tops just because like I have broad shoulders and they don't make them, but I made it specifically for my own measurements. So yeah, that's this shirt. And the jeans, I'm not a fan of. I can't roll them because they're too tight, but yeah, that's that. So the grand finale is this Friken shirt I put together with my leftover fabric. I have part of my t-shirt and the bottoms of these jeans, and I honestly don't hate it. I kind of like it. I wish that the shirt was a little longer, because like you can't really raise your arms up without almost flashing somebody. But it's not as bad. I mean, the craftsmanship on like the sleeve is like, leaves something to be desired. My favorite feature of the shirt is that your elbows can kind of peek out. It's like a play on like elbow pads. It's like instead of having elbow pads, you don't have any elbow pads. So your elbows are ready to slam on a table. But I'm like honestly shook. I thought this was gonna be really ugly, but like it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be like something Sophia Nygaard would like pay $1,000 like for like a Gucci version so she could wear it for a week and be like, this was an experience. I made that shit. Sophia, if you want to pay $100 for this, like call me up, please. I need money. But yeah, if you liked the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, That's it, guys. Thanks.